Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. A while back I purchased CJS-51 Feeling Lacy from the UK stockist of Clear Jelly Stamper, Nail.supplies. And in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing it. As always, you can find where I purchased it from in the description box below, along with the Clear Jelly Stamper website link for stockists around the world. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo stamper. I have 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. Now I did forget to show the camera which polish I'm using for this first swatch, but it's CJS Stamping Polish 16 and I'll be using a pink nail tip. This image is just so pretty and would look brilliant either as a half nail like what I've done or even a full nail. For the second swatch I'm going to be using a light blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. With these larger images you could, if you had shorter nails, get a couple of nails stamped out of one swatch just by turning the stamper into a different direction. You could also add stamping over the top of them as well. For the third swatch I'm going to be using a green nail tip along with a light and dark green stamping polish, as I'm going for one of the larger layering designs. So the first layer will be the dark green and then the outer layer will be the light green. I found with designs like these with the lace that by using the darker green on the bottom and then the light over the top works really well. Now my lining up for the larger designs still isn't great. I am much better at the smaller ones. For the fourth swatch I'm going to use a yellow nail tip and I'm using a peachy stamping polish and a dark plum stamping polish, and I'm going to swatch the top left image, but I found that I won't get it all onto the nail tip as it's got a gap in the middle of it. I will remove anything I don't want before placing down, but as you can see once it's finished it's not fitted onto the nail tip completely. Now you could stagger this across a couple of nails if you wanted to, but it's still very beautiful though. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from CJS-51 Feeling Lacy. CJS-51 Feeling Lacy is so pretty. There is 8 very large designs and then there is 4 layering designs. But what you can do is add the layered designs at the top over that middle line of 4 images. And I have done one of them to show you what that looks like. I have taken 13 swatches. The lacy designs at the bottom I just love. They're just full of amazing detail, but then they all are. There is a lot of possibilities with CJS-51, and I did find on the CJS website a picture guide which I did find really helpful. For the swatches I've used my CJS Big Bling XL Pink stamper. I didn't use it in the video as I forgot as I was filming other videos at the same time. When I look at CJS-51 I can also see CJS-50 Petals of Lace, and a lot of the smaller layering designs from CJS-50 would also work really well over the top of that second line, and it's something that I want to try out. As I said in the video, using the large layering designs, I'm not the best, but it is something that I'm really trying to improve on. Now with the lace at the bottom, which I have to say I'll be using a lot of because it is just stunning, was quite rough on my cotton wool, but I have come to expect that from lacy designs. It just means they're going to swatch brilliantly, and they all have. I'm in love with this plate. I also tried to shrink some of the designs when swatching the layering ones, and I have to say it was the biggest epic fail I've ever had. But I'm not giving up yet I will give it another try. For the mani, I've used a peachy pink nail polish, and I've used 2 of the clear jelly stamper stamping polishes. I've done a bit of a mix and match with this mani. I've added to 3 of the nails the lacy design, which I just love how it looks, and then on the other 2 I've added the butterfly layered image, and I really like how this has turned out. It's quite a different type of layering mani for me. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I have used. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on CJS-51 Feeling Lacy from Clear Jelly Stamper. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.